Janata Dal United Manipur urges all not to make statements that may hurt sentiments of any community. AMSU asked government to control the hike in the prices of essential commodities in 3 days. And mortal remains of Shaolin Chandam brought to Imphal. US police have arrested the accused in his murder. Good evening and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News. I'm Nina Yangubum with the top stories and latest news at this hour. President of Janata Dal United Manipur State, M. Tombi, appealed to every organizations in the state not to make any statement which can hurt the sentiments of any community. Addressing the media persons at JDU Manipur State Office at Babupara, M. Tombi said the party submitted a memorandum regarding Naga Peace Accord and protection of indigenous people of the state to Prime Minister, Union Home Minister, Janata Dal United National President and Janata Parivar leaders on September 1 in New Delhi. Terming the Churachandpur violence as unfortunate, M. Tombi said the state government should pay attention to the families of those killed in violence and talk with the protesting people soon.
Yamna sarak chahingnaba tangdu leitadaba siguma phibam ama lakpasida organization kharana press club kumba aduga atai atopa mafamsingda community singi puningda warabugodoba yamna sihei naiba wahi yawba aduga wata yawbusingsi tawbidanaba thamjari naga kuki aduga Maitai Pangal, aduga RK, aduga Brahman, Kanagumba amatana indigenous people natte hai gibe leite haina Janata Dal United na lawi.
Secretary General of JDU Manipur State, Lin Gangte, appealed to the tribal leaders to avoid violent agitations and hold talks with the government, as the Chief Minister has already clarified that the bill can either be withdrawn or amended. Lin Gangte said the party condemned the state government's decision to block internet and appealed to the state government to unblock the internet.
Withdraw toba amendment toba haiba ma higher abanina tribal gi leader makhaisu amuktang ngasai gi nungai taba phongdokpa aduga yamna volatile oiba adugumbagi protest makti tawhaningde mayamna muk tasinaraga government ga ngangnabagi tanja ama lobadi phai technique age asida internet shutdown toba JDU na condemn tawi.
2 persons killed in an exchange of fire between security forces and underground outfit yesterday in Kwatha Kuno near International Border Pillar 81 have been identified. The persons have been identified as RPF and PLA cadre Tongbram Samananda, 37 years, son of T. Biren of Thanga Konjenglekai, and Kangjam Rome, 31 years, son of K. Babu Singh of Pobakchau, Ikai Bazar. Both of them were killed in the exchange of fire between the underground outfit and a team of 11 Assam Rifles and 6 Dogra Regiment yesterday. The bodies are kept in Jennings morgue for post-mortem. All Manipur Students Union AMSU has urged the government and DCs to look into the hike in the prices of essential commodities in the state. The student body has warned that it would launch a drive against the price rise if the government does not fix the prices of essential commodities in 3 days. AMSU General Secretary Manjit Sarangtham today told the media at AMSU office that the superfine rice to be issued to the people through PDS is now sold at Rs 1,000 to 1,500 per 50 kg in the market. He alleged that there is collusion between the government and the traders to make profits in the prevailing situation. He also accused the traders of hiking the prices by 50%. Manjit expressed grave concern at the non-availability of petrol in the oil depots while it is available in black market.
PDS items in Manunga Chaliva superfine we market the Pangbayadaba, we local MLS in through the Miamda, a home Mamala, Kizi, the Panipal, the Mapan Bogi, the Fango, Chingamaka, we Kizi the Kuma, Pirakanda, Kaitil, the market of Fangumancy. I'm a chobo home, Emsun Hangzini, market the Yuliva, superfine as a high Bogi Manunga and Pugomena, Tingakanda, market of Fango.
Family members of the accused in the murder of Athokpam Bina of Sero Makhalekai have refuted charges that the girl was killed by Naurem Narendra on September 3. Naurem Binasaki, mother of Naurem Narendra, claimed that her son is innocent. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, Binasaki said her son returned home at 3 in the afternoon on that day as her husband was unwell. She said in the evening, mother of late Athokpam Bina called Narendra's mother, informing that Bina has not returned home. The next morning, when Narendra along with some locals went to Bina's house, they were assaulted. Naurem Narendra from Kongjom Patpal was brutally assaulted by the locals, accusing his involvement in the murder of Bina. It may be mentioned that on September 3, 18-year-old Athokpam Bina was found murdered.
I ichada siribo maranje I yajaningde aduna mana lalame mayande kathok jage I ichada siri maranje sunya yaningde si mayamne picha tabiyoba adu mihat be mido thibiyoba mihat be mido mayamne phangna be thibiyoba
si Naurem Narendra bu wahang pahung tawdana akoi sherogi miyamna hana naba honarakpasi asengba mihat pa amma lolabra haibegi chingnaba leibana mari leinaba authority na hena kumna thijinbi shogunu dagi nupimsa jibu nungsijaba haigadra moi lekai du dagi ahibam thoiba koba ama kaigumba nang chen ma chongba tawtaragasu aina dum logani lohongba keno tawtaragasu lohongba thugaigani na adumaina kihanba leena angangjina smai tamamme.
The body of Shaolin Chandam was brought to Imphal by Air India flight at the Imphal International Airport today. The inconsolable family members and relatives received the body at the airport. Shaolin Chandam was shot dead in Hampton Lazelle Avenue in United States on August 25. The accused in the murder of Shaolin Chandam, Keenan A. Palmer of the United States, has been arrested and is in custody of Hampton Police. Police are yet to know why Palmer shot dead Shaolin Chandam. The final judgment in the case is likely to come next year.
US 2010 the chakibane bakwa the under sponsorship of kanone akogi tennis ki scholarship the chakibane ma se ma matam spend irailain tokthokte aduga graduation se complete or me 2.5 to torame ba madi day night like tamme ba khai suspect khai tare ko excellent ma sina tormi se ma se he had known him only for last 3 weeks. 3 weeks katane mang khang se kadu magi intention se kari laibno khangde my funeral ga lore kanda ipan pai funeral lore kanda ma se wari nga wanga kadradi khangde most probably magi verdict se akogi August 2016 dai the grand jury announced tone hai ba but he is charged with second degree murder and illegal possession of weapons.
President of Manipur Young Minds Association, Delhi Ningombam Raju, had condemned former RJD MP and JAP President Papu Yadav for saying that non-locals, especially people from Bihar, were beaten in Manipur. MP Papu Yadav threatened to pull out Manipuri passengers from trains running through Bihar and send them back to Manipur in protest against the violence against Bihari migrants. Ningombam Raju said the comment has shown the state in poor light. He said regarding the matter, they submitted a memorandum to Prime Minister and urged that MP Papu Yadav should be barred from contesting election. Ningombam Raju said a campaign signature has been started against the MP.
Delhi da Lairiba Manipur Young Mind Association Delhi na Manipur gi Lairiba organization sing student union gi body singi ekoi hojik signature campaign ama tawba hojare hariba signature campaign asi ekoi na Narendra Modi Prime Minister da amadi President da pisallaga Papu Yadav sigi mathakte action lokhat piyo asigumba moral yaudraba communal gi irang sagatliba asigumba rajniti tawriba miyo ase amuga na election phawba lepa yadanaba gi condition thambiyo haibna chingba akoi gi memorandum da akoi yaujari Manipur की MP अहुम दिल्ली दा लेना हाइरिबा सिगुम स्टेटमेंट अमा थोला अबाउबदा मिना तादना उदना लेसन बा हाइबसे अखोई ख्वाइदगी लाइबक थीबन.
Irawat Celebration Committee Patsoi Kendra today observed the 119th birth anniversary of Hizam Irawat at Kamnamlera Community Hall. The function, attended by senior citizens and youths of the locality, deliberated on the life of Hizam Irawat.
Irawat kilamji makha पूर्वांचल प्रदेश सेंबगी प्रस्ताव मा भारत सरकार की लाइबा कांग्रेस मदु तौन भोदर कुसे यारोय मसिदी मणिपुर की शक्तम मांगी गनी कोई लेजर बलोन मांगी गनी कोई कल्चर मुट की गनी कोई आइडेंटिटी पोट से ममई खंगदी अमत ले ओय मरम मदुना सही लिसिंग हेलब मतम की इतिहास सिंग मसुंग तंगी लेजरबा शक्तम दो कायदन लेगदबनी हाइब पोरसी इराबोना हाइबनी मदुगिदमक्त मानलुसिंगा अंदलोन चंगिबने
JCILPS Students Wing has appealed to the people to light candles on the Mangani Lehul Day of Sapam Robin Hood on Monday. Singjamai Apunba Nupilop today felicitated 65 students of different government and private schools who underwent fast unto death demanding ILPS in the state at Singjamai Community Hall. Singjamai Apunba Nupilop also felicitated A. Sanahanbi, former principal of DM College of Commerce, who also underwent fast unto death. Those who attended the event also resolved to continue agitations until the bills passed in the assembly are converted into an egg. As an initiative to prevent ecological imbalance in the state, saplings were planted in Lamphel Court Complex in Lamphel Part today. The event was organized by District Judiciary Imphal East and Imphal West in collaboration with Forest Department. Speaking at the function, District and Session Judge Imphal West D.H. Simon said today's function was held in order to add some amount of green cover in the state. As in other parts of the country, Janmashtami was celebrated today with religious fervor and gaiety by the followers of Vaishnava religion in the state. The day marks the birth of Lord Krishna. Devotees of Lord Krishna prayed to the Almighty by offering fruits and flowers. On the occasion of Janmashtami, devotees thronged the Sri Sri Temple, Mahabali Hanuman Thakur Temple and ISKCON Temple in Ghari. Ras Leela and special prayers were held on the occasion of Janmashtami. Indian Red Cross Society helped the flood-affected people of Wangu and Tentha by distributing essential items. Mention may be made that several areas in Thawal district were hit by the recent floods. Indian Red Cross Society Manipur branch distributed blankets, towels, clothes for women, kitchen sets, mosquito nets, buckets, among others, to 70 residents of Wangu and 50 residents of Tentha. The society assured the Wangu people of installation of a portable water purification unit. Secretary of the society, Professor Dr. Yanglem Mohan said people of Thawal and other districts face problems due to flood. He said essential items were distributed in Wangu and Tentha for the first phase after consulting Indian Red Cross Society. Thawal branch President Dr. Mohan said the Indian Red Society Manipur branch will soon distribute essential items to people of other areas in Thawal district.
Tasegna so awana tarba BPL ki kangbu singda mateng oina baina khoi national headquarter ki tharak polam singni si ayamba Hong Kong ki production kitchen set bucket na singba singsi Hong Kong Red Cross na tharak puni wangu lai pham awang lekai da han boina so install to bagi khoi plan tawjeri adu machinery post singse filter guma awat pa component khar lai bagi nini humni da yaur aganda install tawraga apta amani lekan athopo khona mu hen sokpo to sokoi install tawra bahut na sagan
like pham like te ado isa je pe ba yaw da mina kai wala ka ge hoi go mai cha man na pakhan ma sa ma khan bi ga le li.
Sahitya Seva Samiti Kakching has extended help to the people affected in the recent unfortunate violent incident in Moreh. The Samiti contributed 15 bags of rice, 1 bag of salt, a carton of edible oil, 2 bags of pulses and a sum of Rs 20,000 to the relief committee. Meetei Council Moreh and Akodom have thanked the Samiti for their help. Two Assam Rifles of 9 Sector Assam Rifles distributed stationery items to 70 school children of Lairam Punka Primary School at Lairam Punka in Senapati district on Teachers' Day yesterday. It was in continuation of the efforts by Assam Rifles to promote education in remote villages. The 34th National Nutrition Week was held at Kaino Community Hall, organized by India Government Community Food and Nutrition Extension Unit, Imphal, ICDS Project Bishnupur and Department of Social Welfare. And angling fair was held at the Bijoy Govinda Moat in Sagolband, Imphal West. Joint Committee Thangapat Kanba Apunbalup organized the angling fair with an aim to maintain the moat neat and clean. Anglers caught different varieties of fish in the fair, which began at 7 in the morning. 85 anglers from different parts of the state participated in the fair. Locals, along with Andhro Mandal Development Association Chairman Y. Navachandra, today repaired Andhro Kunjao Andhro Sanapat Yambem Road. Excavator, dipper, truck and tractor were used to level the 10-kilometer long route. RPF and its armed wing PLA condoled and gave revolutionary salute to 2nd Lieutenant Kangjam Romi, alias Amar, Sergeant Tongram Samananda Shyam and Corporal Chongtham Navanta, alias Andy, who were killed in an ambush by an Indian army near B. Bongjang village under Chandal district on September 5. In a press release, the outfit's Chief Department of Publicity, Bunky Mite, said they were disciplined soldiers of the outfit. NSCN-R has become the first breakaway group of the NSCN to support the Naga Peace Accord. Leaders of NSCN Reformation met with interlocutor R.N. Ravi in New Delhi on Saturday. After the meeting, leaders of NSCN-R said although they support the Naga Peace Accord, some conditions have been put forth, such as the talks to be transparent and inclusive of ideas from the stakeholders. President of NSCN-R Wangtint Naga said during the meeting, the group argued that if the talks failed, they were ready to carry out the struggle for another couple of decades to achieve their target. It is also learned that R.N. Ravi gave assurance that the accord should not be seen as peace pact with only the NSCN Isaac Weaver, but with the entire Naga community, even though it was signed with NSCN. And now the sports news. PYA Kairung beat KIYC Khetri Iril Mapal 4-1 in the first match of Maharaj Kumar Gyanendra Memorial Super Division Football League that kick off today. AMFA General Secretary L. Ranjit Roy, Khongman Jila Parisat member T.H. Anirani and Imphal East District Football Association President T.H. Mohari were among those who attended the inauguration of the tournament organized by Imphal East District Football Association at Social Workers Congress, Khongman. 11-star SU Akampat will take on Sak Yumnam Kuno in the first match, while UPAA Kiamgai will play YOSC Kurai in the second match tomorrow. Wafa Wangoi and Sai R.C. Takyal won their respective matches in the 22nd L. Sangita Devi Memorial First Division Football League. Wafa Wangoi beat CRPF Langjing by 1-0. Nauba of Wafa Wangoi and Amarjit of CRPF Langjing were sent out of the match by the referee after a brawl broke out between the two. While in another match, Sai R.C. Takyal defeated HNCS Hauribi 2-0. The tournament is organized by Imphal West District Football Association at Malom Tera Kha Ground. CHIKL Tading and Thau Thamwiban will play in the first match, whereas PHL YO Thamwiban and CRPF Langjing will play in the second match on the 8th of this month. Young Pioneers English School Imphal East has won under-15 boys interstate level JN hockey tournament and qualified for the under-15 boys national level Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Championship to be held in New Delhi. In the last league, Young Pioneers English School Imphal East trust Saitone Government High School Bishnupur 7-2. Nongchup Imphal Sagol Tongba High School Imphal West won the under-17 girls interstate level J and hockey tournament, defeating Career Residential Academy Thobal in the final. The tournament was organized by Directorate of Youth Affairs and Sports Department Manipur at Hockey Stadium, Kumalampak. Players of Kanglei bodybuilders today sought blessings from their instructors at a function held in connection with Teachers' Day at Tera Sapam Lerak. International, national and state level players of the gym organized the function.
Zasingna thoni jaba haiba pangtokpa dugum la chingliam lamba thoram asida makhoi bu lamjing lam tak piriba ojasing du da makhona bebar utpadu khaktana oibiyaro tongan tongan be susan ka gi ojasing amadi tongan tongan ba gym kya da trainer oiriba ojasing dubo bebar utpaduna mana pamjari ba trade du da mai pa na bagi asobu lambi mu ojabu no utpaga loina ojabu nungsim nungsedu aginga sigi leiriba player sing amadi tongan tongan ba gym kya gi player sing na.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Janata Dal United Manipur urges all not to make statements that may hurt sentiments of any community. IMSU asked government to control the hike in the prices of essential commodities in 3 days. And mortal remains of Shaolin Tandem brought to Imphal. US police have arrested the accused in his murder.